Hi everyone, welcome back. I've had a couple of people ask me if I'll make queen cakes, so that's what I'm making today. Queen cakes are a fairy cake, so they're a Madeira mixture with dried fruit added, and you can flavour them with lemon zest, which is gorgeous, or vanilla extract. Years ago, the older people always had queen cakes in their houses, and you'd see them at cake sales too. So they were very popular and they're a really nice cake. So we're going to get started. The first thing we're going to do is going to mix together some butter or margarine and some sugar. And we're going to mix this till it's nice and fluffy and soft. The butter is much easier to whip if you use a soft butter, so leave it out the night before or a couple of hours before you make them. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm using this today instead of the lemon zest. And I'm going to add one egg, and I'm going to mix in the egg, and then I'm going to add the other one. That's perfect. Add the self-raising flour. This is my dried fruit, and you can use raisins, sultanas or currants. I'm using sultanas. I've seen some people put chocolate chips in these queen cakes either. So I've soaked these for about 10 to 15 minutes in hot water, then I popped them through a sieve and dried them a little bit. Just to stop these from sinking to the bottom of my cakes, I'm going to add a little flour, coat them with the flour, like that. Add them in there. And now get a spatula and just mix all this in. Go right down to the bottom to make sure there's no flour sitting on the bottom. And that's it. That's ready. Set that to one side. Now I'm just going to get it into my cases. I'm using fairy cases. They're a little bit smaller than cupcake cases. So if you use anything bigger than these, you won't get as many cakes. So get your mixture, and I'm going to divide this between all my cases. You can use 2 spoons either. So we'll do about half the scoop, and then we'll come back and add some more. And that's them. Let's get them into the oven now. Here are my freshly baked queen cakes. They smell so good. Just look at them, they're a nice golden colour, and there's a lovely little rise on them too. I'm going to remove the paper case of one so you can see what it's like inside. You can see the sultanas there in a nice soft fluffy bun. Let's cut into one now. The texture is light and airy, and look at that fruit. This recipe is a favourite, easy to make and always delicious. This really is a gorgeous little recipe. You get a nice little cake packed with flavour and lots of fruit in there too. If you try them out, let me know in the comments down below how you get on and what you think of them. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching everyone. Enjoy the queen cakes and have them with a nice cup of tea if you make them. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy.